I guess it was like a sense of wonder and also like excitement. And whenever I feel that I'm doing something that our tupuna would do, it makes me feel closer. I consider my taonga my whānau. You know, they have their own mana, they have their own ingoa, and then being able to like connect with them in a way that's quite intimate.
What we want to do, we want to start shaping it. Well, we've got meat still on it to hold on to. Here? This is here. Hey. Inside that one sound is every note there is.
I think like, you know, if you hear a sound that resonates with me, or I hear a bit of a mamai in that sound. I hear mamai and I want to identify with that mamai that I'm hearing.
When you get up close for the first time, they freak out how loud it is.
I'd never done a karanga before and I'd never felt comfortable in that space. Being able to express a karanga through the use of sharing my hā with the pupu. I don't know what I look like or sound like in that moment because it's only within this space, you know? And then seeing what outside the space, what other people are experiencing with my oro and the pupu and my hā, and being able to see that through another lens, through another's eyes, through another sound, is something that I'm quite interested to see and hear. Yeah.